Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on another video. Today we're going to be installing the RAM on the motherboard today. This is the Tomahawk Mug Z690 Wi-Fi DDR5 version. So we've got the RAM as well. So that's Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 5600 or 5800, I can't remember. It's got speed somewhere. It's written somewhere, can't remember. ARGB. So yeah, I'm going to be installing this today. So yeah, if you are installing to a random motherboard, make sure you check your manual to find out which slots to use, because yeah, they're running dual channel and single channel, and dual channel obviously is faster, so make sure you're always running in dual channel if your motherboard supports it. Okay, so these are the DIMMs. That's your RAM slots. They're also known as DIMMs. So on this motherboard it says to use the dimmer 2 first, which is this slot here, the second one. I'll try to zoom in for you. Okay, that doesn't really work, but yeah, can you see that better? All right, so you use the second one there and the fourth one. You never want it side by side to each other, because then you'll be running in one channel, which is single channel. You'll be losing half the speed of the RAM. It's not efficient. Whereas if you have it side one there, you'll be running in dual channel, so the RAM has two channels. So on this motherboard is called dimmer and dim A, dim B, basically that's what it's called. So it says to first use the dimmer 2, which is this one, and opposite one, which is this one right at the end. So they're the RAM ones we're going to be using today. DDR5, it has a notch right in the middle. Yeah, so it's easier to install compared to DDR4 and stuff, I guess. Well, to be honest, about the same. Installations process is the same pretty much. You just get in the slot. So yeah, we'll go ahead and put this in. Give it some extra lighting. Okay, I'll go ahead and open this now. Bloody hell. Also, thank you for staying tuned if you have been watching these gaming videos. Because yeah, I'm gonna make a beast. My last PC died from a power surge, so it's good that we're building a new one. And yeah, so far we saved a lot of money. If I knew how to open this, I would open it. There you go, hidden behind the sticker. Alright. Let me grab a RAM stick now. So with the RAM, hold it by the sides. You don't want to ever touch the metal bits. It doesn't matter if you do touch it, but you'd rather not touch it, if you know what I mean. So just hold it by the sides. Okay, so the first two slots, so what you do with these is pop them out. So I'm going to be using this slot. So this slot here that I've just unhooked, can you see the one I just unhooked then? That's the one we're going to be using. So I don't know, I'm going to check actually. Is it possible to put this RAM in wrong? So that's one way. Let me try the other way now. Does it fit the other way? Because I don't know if it's the same. No, so it can only go one way. It's slightly off center. So yeah, you can't get this wrong. And yeah, if it's not fitting in, twist it around, because yeah, don't force it in, because you'll end up breaking it. So yeah, that's there now, and then you just want to click into place. You'll hear it click. Move this a bit. Oh, there you go. It's not all the way in, just click it in yourself. There you go. Yep, that's in there, perfect. Kingston fully. Okay, next one now. So this one we're going to be doing, because we're doing dual channel like I said, you want the opposite one, not the one right next to it. So that'll be this first one here. Again, you can't put this in wrong, only fits in one way, I believe. Yep, I'll show you again. Let me twist it around. It's impossible to put it in wrong because the metal pins don't line up, so it won't work. You know what I mean? So it has to go this way. But yeah, because I'm on a cardboard box, it's very hard to hear it click and hard to get the pressure. So I'll try my best. Don't like the creaking noise. Do you hear that? There you go. Yeah, that's in. Not gonna force it anymore. Just lock it myself personally. That seems to be in, I think. If not, we'll find out anyway. Oh, this one's not set as well. So there you go. Should we pull it about? So yeah, that's the RAM installed. And yeah, easy as that. We've got some stickers as well. Put them on the case maybe. We'll see. So yeah, that was a very easy RAM installation. Very easy to do. Again, oh, let me just make it a bit darker for you. So yeah, very easy to do. These are going to light up now once they're done. That's in place. And yeah, can you see there's a gap between them? That's good because they're going to be running in dual channel now rather than using one channel, so you'll have that speed benefit. So that's how you install RAM. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Check out my next video. I'm going to be installing the CPU. Alright guys, good night.